with Lizzy! The Pinky Lizzy look. Hey guys, it's MacLeod here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Elizabeth, and today I'm gonna be doing another makeup tutorial, and it's called the Pinky Lizzy look. And it involves with a lot of pink colored things. I got pink colored hair tie and pink colored lipstick, if you see it. I also got a pink hairbrush. Everything is freaking pink in my room. Kind of. I got a blue under blanket. I got a red pillow. I got a black pillow. There's a whole bunch of vibrant colors in here. Like, this is pink. Hydrocortisone is yellow. My Aveeno is green. My doll's outfit is like blue. Yeah, blue and pink, and also pink and a whole bunch of other colors. So I'm gonna be showing you the Pinky Lizzy look, like I told you, like in the previous episode of Glam with Lizzy, on the Queen Lizzy look. And this is good. This one is the next one, and it is. And told ya, and it's pretty much. Let's get started with the hair. Okay, so I'm gonna brush my hair. Put it up. And that's how you do the hairstyle for the Pinky Lizzy look. I got my makeup bag, and I also got my hydrocortisone. Tastes nasty. Now I'm gonna grab my LA Colors matte lipstick. There's seriously no name on it. My Hello Kitty mirror I got for my birthday, and it was on my cake. And my LA Colors lip gloss with a moisturizing formula, so extra moisturizing with a hydro and pretty much this and stuff. Now it's time to just draw it on the lips. I seriously want to go somewhere with this look and see what anybody says. Yeah, my phone kind of vibrates at random times. Now it's time for this. And the freaking vibration is off. That's so weird. That's normal for it. It's kind of gooey. And that's it for the Pinky Lizzy look. With the hairstyle and the makeup and everything all dolled up. I know I'm starting to look like a dolly, but okay. But anyways, thanks for watching for this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like, subscribe, favorite, comment, turn on notifications, and share whatever you can do. So yeah. And don't forget to follow me on my Google Plus and my IFunny if you have those social medias. If you don't, reject them. That's okay for me. So yeah. Bye Hejdå. It's a piece of cake to make a pretty cake. If the way is hazy, you gotta do the cooking by the book. You know you can't be lazy. Never use a messy recipe. The cake will end up crazy. If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have a cake. We gotta have it made. You know that I love cake. Finally, it's time to make a cake. We gotta have it made. You know that I love cake. Finally, it's time to make a. You gotta do the cooking by the book. Cake!